Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of Discord and exploring how to enlarge and bolden your text. If you benefit from this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more handy tutorials. First off, it's good to note that this method is versatile and will work on all Discord platforms, be it a web, mobile, or desktop versions. Begin by launching Discord and head to any chat area you wish. This could be a DM or a public channel. When you're ready to type your message, start with a hashtag followed by a space. After a space, proceed to type your desired message. Do remember, the magic lies in the space between the hashtag and your message. Once you've typed out your message, hit send. You'll immediately notice that your message is not only bold but also larger than usual. The steps are just as easy on mobile. Simply use the hashtag followed by a space and then your text. When you send it, you'll see it appear bold and big. So, there you have it. A simple and quick way to make your text stand out in Discord. If you run into any issues or have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. So, one more from Discord, we've got a plenty of other tutorials linked in the description, or you can check our channel. If you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.